Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your device supports fast charging and noting the required wattage. This ensures compatibility. Once done, visually inspect the cable ends, connector pins, and housing for damage or corrosion and wiggle test for loose contacts. Make sure to use a certified power adapter rated at or above the device's fast charge spec and plug into a reliable outlet. If the cable fails the visual or connectivity check, set it aside and prepare the meter and replacement parts you'll use next. You now diagnose the cable. Measure continuity on power and data conductors and check voltage under load to spot drops that block fast charging. If a pin or wire is loose, carefully open the connector housing, trim and tin wires, and solder or crimp new terminations. Maintain shielding and ground continuity. Make sure the data lines and CC pin wiring match USB-C or PD negotiation requirements, so the charger and device can handshake for higher current. Once repaired, reassemble and prepare for verification. You finish by testing the repaired cable. Connect the certified charger and check the device's charge rate or display. Observe for fast charge indication and monitor battery temperature for safety. If you don't see the expected speed, systematically swap the cable, adapter, and device to isolate the faulty part. Make sure the device firmware and battery health aren't limiting charge, and inspect ports for debris. Key troubleshooting tip: if swapping components still shows slow charging, replace the cable and adapter with certified PD/QC units before deeper repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.